welcome back to another episode of Tay's Garage. So today I got quite a few updates. So update number one, the CL is finally finished. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to where the S-Class is and get it out in the sunlight so you can see it better. So if you follow me on any of my other platforms, you'll know that I finished this car a few weeks ago, and I'm just now getting around to making a video. I know I'm slacking on the content, but I promise you guys, I'm gonna have some real good content coming out. But yeah, I'm just sorting out some minor issues. What the hey bro, you dragging something, bro. Come on, man. Ruining my video, bro. Come on. Like I was saying, there are some minor issues that I'm still sorting out as far as panel gaps go. I think this one's all right. The one on the passenger side is one that's really bugging me right now. Yeah, see, I can fit my finger in there. You shouldn't be able to do that. But anyways, for the most part, the car is done. And I plan on doing the calipers in yellow. But yeah, all done. The car looks really good on the new wheels. As for the E46, it's been sitting for quite a while now. Last time I drove it, the starter went out. I managed to hit the starter and get the car running to drive back home, but it was going into limp mode and stuff, so I haven't touched it since then. Now on to the S-Class. Now this has been an amazing daily driver. I have had no issues out of this car, and so far it has been worth every penny that I spent on it. Now one of the things that I'm more excited about with this car is that when I took it to have it re-registered, I was not issued a branded title. Instead, they told me that it would retain a clean title status only if I certified that I'm going to keep the car for myself, which I am. I do not plan on selling this car.
The next day.
What is going on, guys? It is a new day, and today I'm going to be sorting out some issues with my parents' GTI over here. So let's get into it. So the car was running really rough and misfiring, and I diagnosed it to be the coil packs, so I'm going to go ahead and replace those. Pretty simple job, no tools required, just simply pull up on these and they come out. And now, in with the new. Okay, so I just noticed that it broke off one of the clips for the connectors. No big deal. And we are done. Alright, so I'm gonna let the car warm up and I'm going to put my tools away and go for a test drive. Boy, it is hot out here in the 206 today. 90 degrees. We are not used to this weather. And I know all the southern people are gonna be like, oh yeah, 90 degrees, that's nothing. 100 degrees, 110 degrees, blah, blah, blah. We are not used to this heat. Alright, so that is going to wrap up today's video. The car drives perfectly now, no more misfiring. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.